now that you've added your materials, you've added your context, you added some objects, the last thing would be to start creating your renders. So here at the bottom right, you'll see that you have this option of 360 panorama. And click there, and it takes you to this starting point, which this is not the one we want. So I'm gonna go back to my actual model. There we go. Another way you can move is by right clicking. So now I'm gonna simply click on start camera, and it's sort of gonna take a picture. And I'm only gonna create a few, and you can continue on later on. So think about how you're gonna be walking this scene. So I'm out here, then I wanna go to this view. So it's like if I'm walking, I'll be there, and I wanna be able to go up. Right? Then I'm gonna create another picture, and then I'm gonna go up. Created my panorama images, I can go back and edit them a little bit so that in case things are not looking the way I really need them to look. So, the first thing is I would change my titles. Make sure that each of them have the correct titles. So this, I'm going to go and put pool deck. Right. This one is going to be a entrance to roof deck. And then the third one is going to be my roof deck. Okay. So I'm creating this path that you're outside, you go here, and then you end up going upstairs. But now I'm going to look at this. Realize that it's not fully straight, and something that Lumion has is that you can actually click here, and it sort of starts to align things. Same thing, it also sets it to an eye level, and you can look as to what would be sort of the correct eye level for you, right? And then whatever you just designate as that, it sort of brings it back to the eye level. So this looks better. I'm going to refresh it and go back here, and I'm going to sort of continue bringing this down, and I'm going to make this my eye level. And then I'm going to refresh it. Same thing here. I'm going to bring it to, make it straight. I'm going to set it to my eye level, and I'm going to refresh it. One of the things that, again, you start to notice, hopefully in your image you've added more objects, more materials, but in this case, you can realize the sun is really hitting there. So maybe that's something that I realized I would have to move later on. So I would go back to my scene and actually fix this so it wouldn't be distracting. Same thing here, I would sort of look and so position things in a way that would help your model. After that, you will simply go to render all 360 panoramas. In this case, we're not going to download them to our computer. We're going to go to the online version. So I'm going to click here to MyLumion, and it's going to connect. And in this case, I'm going to increase my quality, and I'm going to put in an email, the title. Make sure that your email is your correct email, and that your title has your name on it. In this case, after that, I'm going to leave it blank for now, but in your case, it is recommended that you do that. Put in your email and your name when it says title, and then I'm just going to simply upload to Lumion. This is going to take, in this case, a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to get ready to export, and after that, I'm going to be able to open it up and see the final product.